Welcome to a quick guide on finding all shared media on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever struggled to locate photos, videos, or documents sent in chats, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can access everything in one place. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp Web to see the new features clearly. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen where your chat list appears. Right above or beside your chats, you'll notice a small media icon that's easy to miss. Click that icon to open the Media Hub for all your conversations. Inside the Media Hub, you'll see an organized gallery of shared content. The interface groups items by type and by chat, making it simpler to sift through if you're looking for a specific moment. At the top, there may be tabs or filters like photos, documents, links, and videos. If you know roughly what you're after, you can switch to the appropriate tab to narrow your search. If you want media from a particular conversation, you can still navigate through the hub by scrolling and using the chat filters. Some updates also allow you to search within the Media Hub using keywords or dates. Try typing a term like a file name, a person's name, or a time frame to quickly pull up the items you need. Once you find a file, click it to preview. From the preview window, you can download the file to your PC, forward it to another chat, or open it in your browser for quick viewing. If you're missing items you expected to see, double check that you're looking at the Media Hub for the correct account and that you're connected to the internet. Sometimes media from older chats may take a moment to appear as the app syncs with the server. If you still don't see certain files, try refreshing WhatsApp Web or logging out and back in to force a fresh sync. To wrap up, the media icon on the left side of WhatsApp Web is your gateway to all shared content across chats. The hub consolidates photos, videos, documents, and links in one place with filters to help you locate items faster. With the latest update, the process is intuitive and centralized, saving you time and helping you manage your media more efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more practical WhatsApp tips.